Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to set up the text replacement on your iPhone 17. So, at first let me just quickly get rid of the cable from here. At first you need to open the settings. Here, scroll down to General. Scroll down even further so that you can find the keyboard. Once you're in the keyboard, tap Text Replacement. Here, now as you can see, we have some text replacements here, but to create a new one, tap plus. Tap phrase, for example, I love hard reset. Optional HR. Save. And now you can exit that, open some application you want to text somebody, and HR space I love hard reset. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.